Welcome guys. Today our video session is about races and games. It's a subtopic of speed, time and distance. What is mean by race? A contest of speed in running, riding, driving, sailing or rowing is called a race. The ground or path on which the race is conducted is called race course. The point where the race begins is called starting point, and the point where the race ends is called winning point or goal. And the person who reaches the winning point first is called a winner, and the person who reaches the winning point next to the winner is called runner. This is a rare phenomenon, dead heat race. If all the persons participating in a race reach the goal exactly at the same time, then the race is said to be a dead heat race. The next term is start. Suppose A and B are two contestants in a race. If before the start of the race A is at the starting point and B is ahead of A by 12 meters, then we can say that A gives B a start of 12 meters. In this case, A have to cover 100 meters while B have to cover only 88 meters, that is 12 meters lesser than A. In a 100-meter race, A can give B 12 meter, or A can give B a start of 12 meter, or A beats B by 12 meter, means that while A runs 100 meter, B runs only 88 meter. So A can give B 12 meter, A can give B a start of 12 meter, A beats B 12 meter, all have the common meaning of A running 100 meter and B running only 88 meter. The next term is games. In a game of 100, if a person is scoring the 100 points first, then he is considered as the winner. So in this case, if A scores 100 points while B scores only 80 points, then we can say A can give B 20 points, that is B is 20 points lesser than A. Let's see our first problem. In a 1 kilometer race, A beats B by 28 meters or 7 seconds. Then find A's time over the course. Here it is given the distance is 1 kilometer. Distance is 1 kilometer, that is 1000 meter. A beats B by 28 meters or 7 seconds. This means 28 meters has been covered in 7 seconds. So here A beats B by 28 meters or 7 seconds. So it is considered as B speed. B speed is 28 meters per 7 seconds. So from speed is equal to distance by time, we are getting this formula as time is equal to distance by speed. Here the given distance is 1000 meter and the speed is 28 meters per 7 seconds, and so we are getting the answer as 250 seconds. So B's time course is 250 seconds. We have to find A's time course, that is 7 seconds lesser than B. So 250 minus 7 gives the answer as 243 seconds. Here is our next problem. A can run 1 kilometer in 3 minutes 10 seconds and B can cover the same distance in 3 minutes 20 seconds. By what distance can A beat B? Given distance is 1 kilometer, that we can write as 1000 meter. So A has completed the race in 3 minutes 10 seconds. On converting, it becomes 190 seconds. B's time is 3 minutes 20 seconds. On converting, it becomes 200 seconds. So the difference between A and B is 200 minus 190, that is 10 seconds. So here we are calculating B speed, that is distance by time. The distance given is 1000 meter and the time that B has covered is 200 seconds. So B can cover 1 kilometer in 200 seconds, that is 5 meter per second. So B speed is 5 meter per second. But we need to get the distance that A can beat B. So the formula for speed is equal to distance by time. So distance is equal to speed into time. So here the speed is given as 5 meter per second and the distance difference is, time difference is 10 seconds. So it is 10 into 5, that is 50 meters. So that A can beat B at a distance of 50 meters. Read this problem. In a 100-meter race, A can beat B by 25 meter and B can beat C by 4 meter. In the same race, A can beat C by how much distance? So the given race distance is 100 meter. So A is to B is 100 is to 100 minus 25. So A can beat B by 25 meter. That is, B has covered 25 meter lesser than A within the given stipulated time. So 100 is to 100 minus 25. 100 is to 75. So B can beat C by 4 meter. That is 100 minus 4. If B has covered 100 meter, then C has covered 4 meter lesser than that. 100 is to 96. Now we have to find A can beat C by how much meter? To find A is to C, we are using the ratio formula. That is, A by C is A by B into B by C. This both B will be getting parallelly cancelled and you will be getting the value of A by C. So here we are writing A is to B as A by B, 100 by 75 into 100 by 96. On further calculations, we are having the ratio as 100 is to 72. So A can beat C by 100 minus 72. That is 28 meters. The distance between A and C is 28 meters. That is, if A covers 100 meters, C can cover 72 meters. That is 28 meters lesser than A. That is, A can beat C by 28 meters. Here in this problem, it is given it is a race of 200 meter, whereas A can beat B by 31 meter and C by 18 meter. So in a race of 350 meter, C will beat B by how much distance? So here we have data for 200 meter, but we need to find C will beat B by what distance in a race of 350 meter. So the first data given is distance is 200 meter. A is to B is 200 minus 31. That is 200 is to 169. The same for A is to C. So we got 200 is to 182. To find C is to B, that is, C will beat by what distance when the total distance is 350 meter. So C by B, by using the ratio, we are writing this and getting the answer as 182 by 169. So using this 350 divided by the ratio for C is to B, we are getting 325 meter. That is, if C is covering 350 meter, B can cover 325 meter. So C beats B by 350 minus 325. The difference is 25 meter. So C can beat B by 25 meters. Here is our final problem. 3 runners A, B and C run a race, with runner A finishing 12 meter ahead of runner B and 18 meter ahead of runner C, while runner B finishes 8 meter ahead of runner C. So each runner travels entire distance at a constant speed. What was the length of the race? So the data of A, B and C running is given. We need to find the length of the race. So if A covered X meter means B has covered 12 meter lesser than that, C has covered 18 meter lesser than that. So if B has covered the entire race means C will be 8 meter behind B. So A is to B is X is to X minus 12 meter and A is to C is X is to X minus 18 meter. So from the second data, if B is X, C will be 8 meter behind. So X minus 8. So we are equating first two datas and getting B is to C. We are getting X is minus 12 is to X minus 18. Then in the second data we are getting B is to C ratio as X is to X minus 8. So here both are B is to C. So we are equating both the terms and we are getting the value of X, that is the length of the whole race, as 48 meters. With this I conclude this video. I hope you all understood well. Let's meet in the next video session. Thank you.